Today we have a test run showcase of Timothy the Ghost Engine custom model out of a remote control Thomas the Tank engine. The remote has been painted silver with a black handle and details red buttons and a custom decals with the number 0 right there and Timothy nameplate on the remote, and it works fantastic. Now the model does have a vinyl decals and a sticker on the windows cab, and the rest some vinyl and paint, also silver with a black roof. Very nice model with a creepy face of Timothy the Ghost Engine. The engine requires 3 AAA batteries located in the tender. Also the remote control takes 3 AAA batteries on the handle right there. Still has the same theme song from Thomas and Friends and the same whistle from Thomas. Forward and reverse, and it works great. Alright, let's do a test run. Very nice model. Now let's go in reverse. Excellent. So there it is, the custom Timothy the Ghost Engine Trackmaster version, a remote control model. Great custom. Check it out, customtrackmasters.com, link in the description.